Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach how to make this jute bottle vase. Come on, let's start it. To make this jute bottle vase, we need a sauce bottle, jute rope, crushed aluminum foil, glue and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. Take the aluminum foil and the sauce bottle. This crushed aluminum should stuck hole over the bottle. Half, it should be in center, this aluminum, so that we can fill over here top all with jute. Taken the bottle size and I have cut it properly. Now this way we need to cut it. This way we need to take the size of the bottle and we need to cut this aluminum. And now I am going to stick it. This is the extra piece, I need to cut it out. And we should leave space like this so that at the bottom we can fill with jute and at the top also we can fill with jute. See, like this way we need to stick the aluminum throughout the bottle. See, I have left space at the bottom and at the top so that we can fill it fully with jute. Now we can start sticking the jute. See, now we need to stick it fully like this way. We need to stick it fully. Fully we should cover till the top. See, I have completed sticking the top of the bottle with jute completely. Now I need to start at the bottom. I have not completed the bottom, so let's start it. See, we should stick it like this. I have not completed yet. We should complete it how we have done at the top, like that way same we should do at the bottom. Finally, completed. Like this way I have done 2 more bottles. Wait, I'll show you. These are the 3 bottles. This one which I have completed now. This is the second one and this is third one. The difference between the 2 bottles is, for this bottle I have used a thin rope, very thin rope, and for this bottle I have used very thick rope. So it is a decorated jute bottle. It is fully decorated with beads and I have decorated it with a bow. This is made up of jute rope. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. I'll meet you at next video. Bye.